So this one has been driving me nuts for a while. I thought I'd see if I'm not the only one that can't stand these damn things. So, you ever turn on a YouTube video and it shows what seems like an influencer style video before, and it's in the style it's in the oh man, how do you even describe it? It's the same style of video that you see typically most often on either the clothing try-on haul videos or like unboxing videos, and it's literally that exact same style of video, but it's a video by the brand, like it's the actual advertisement from the brand. You only really tell, like, you know for sure because you look down at the bottom left corner, it'll usually say like sponsored or something, but it's not a sponsored video. It's not the actual YouTuber doing a video. It's literally just some random stupid company that has hired someone that basically pretends to be an influencer, and just does a full-on commercial in that style. Grr, it drives me nuts. I know this is stupid, okay? I know it is the stupidest thing to get pissed off over, okay? People get pissed off over stupider than this. Linux guy, yeah, Linux guy, I'm talking to you. You're getting a video eventually, one of these days. But today, I'm ranting about the stupid fake influencer videos. And it'll usually be one of those things like man, how do they even word it? It'll just be somebody talking about how, oh, I use this every day in my daily life. It's it's the best product I've ever used. And they'll start talking about all the things they like about the product. And then you look down in the corner and it says sponsored video. And then you look a little closer and it's actually the company's own friggin' advertisement. Anyway, I'm done.